How's it going, everybody? I'm Jason, and this is the Review Suite. Today we are unboxing the Ascent Charge True Wireless Headphones from Rowkin. Now, Rowkin did send these out for review, but in the follow-up video, I'm going to be giving you my honest and unbiased opinion about these earbuds once I have time to test them. But with that said, let's get into the box. So outside of the box, you see the actual earbuds and the case that it comes in, and you get a little bit of information about what this product offers. So Rowkin claims that these are the smallest sport earbuds. I haven't done the research to confirm that, but I won't dispute them on it. You get 50 plus hours of music / talk time, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. And the case, as it says on the box, is the dual purpose charging. That means there's a built-in battery bank inside of this case, so not only will it charge the actual earbuds, but it will also charge your other mobile devices. So we'll talk about that again also later on in the video. And also there is the Find My Earbuds with the app. So like a lot of other true wireless competitors out there, Rowkin has a companion app for all of their earbuds, and you have the option to search for your earbuds if you happen to lose these while you're out or exercising. So after removing the tape, you get this nice matte black box, and I really appreciate that. It has a magnetic flap, and it says elevate your sound on the inside, so that's a nice little glossy touch with all that matte black. These are the earbuds inside the case, and we're going to set that aside for a second. So inside this box, you're going to find all of your accessories, your extra ear tips, your USB Type-C cable, and your USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter. Rowkin also provides 2 additional pair of ear tips. With the accessories out of the way, let's have a look at the case and earbuds. Oops. So the case and earbuds weigh about 5 ounces, and it feels pretty good in the hand. I like this brushed metal look, even though it's not metal, and I definitely appreciate the strap. It really gives it a nice touch and character. Let's get these earbuds out of here and have a closer look, because I have been anxious to get inside and have a look at these. Well guys, these things are very small, very small. They kind of remind you of sewing thimbles, but they feel pretty good. The build quality, first impressions, it feels alright. The last item I want to share with you is the Rowkin Wave Qi wireless charger. The Wave Qi wireless charger has 1 coil, so you can charge your Ascent earbuds and any other Qi enabled wireless devices. Like the Ascent Charge, you get some glossy branding on the inside, and I really like that. They really are very consistent with their aesthetics across all of their products, and I really appreciate that about Rowkin a lot. You can distinguish their products from the others. But anyway, you get a pretty long USB Type-C cable. I think it's about 3 feet long, and the mat itself is pretty slim, so you can easily slide this on your desk without it being in the way. And when you are ready to charge your Ascent Charge wireless headphones, they rest on the mat just like this. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the full review of the Rowkin Ascent Charge, be sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss it when that video premieres. I'm Jason with the Review Suite, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. I straight up dropped the damn knife.